Hi friends, in this video we will see market basket analysis. What is meant by market basket analysis? Market basket analysis is nothing but to find out the frequent items the customers regularly purchase. The frequent items, the items which are having more sales, which are having sale frequently. This process analyzes the customer's buying habits by finding associations between different items that customers place in their shopping baskets. The discovery of such associations can help retailers to develop marketing strategies by gaining insight into which items are frequently purchased together by customers. For example, this is the figure. Here she is the market analyst. Which items are frequently purchased together by my customers? She has to analyze what are the items frequently purchased. So these are the shopping baskets. Customer 1 purchased milk, bread and caramel. Like that, customer 2 purchased milk, bread, sugar, eggs. Customer 3, customer 4, customer n. Number of customers purchased, number of items. So from these shopping baskets, this particular market analyst has to find out which items are frequently purchased together by my customers. Which items are buying together? First basket, it contains milk, bread, caramel. Second basket, milk, bread, sugar, eggs. Third basket, milk, bread, butter. Fourth basket, sugar, eggs. So that's why here you can observe in 3 baskets we are having milk, bread. In 4 baskets, two baskets are having sugar, eggs. 3 baskets we are having milk, bread. That's why milk, bread are combined together. These 2 items are purchased together. So these 2 items are buying together. So these are the frequently purchased items together. They get together, the customer will purchase. Based on this, what the market analyst can do? Market analyst can analyze this. Then this process analyze the customer buying habits by finding these associations between different items that customers place in their shopping baskets. The discovery of such associations can help retailers. For retailers it is helpful. How it is helpful? Developing market strategies by gaining insight into which items are frequently purchased together. These 2 items, milk, bread items, these 2 items are purchased together. We have to place it in these 2 items in one position. These 2 items are purchased by the customers number of times. That's why we have to place number of goods. We have to take number of goods. These items we have to place these milk and bread items. We have to place more number of goods in our stores. Like that, sugar, eggs is also other frequent item set. So that's why we have to place more number of sugar packets and number of eggs we have to place. Why? Because this is also the frequent item set, and from this we can also we can observe those 2 items are buying together. That's why sugar and eggs I can place in my store at a same place. Then that will be useful for customer convenience. Then that will create convenience for the customer. That will be useful to the customer can easily take sugar and eggs at a single place. They are having, means they are in the single place, means the customer can go and take the 2 items. That is the time benefit for customer also. So in the same way, milk and bread, the customer go and get the milk and bread at the same time, means at the same place he get, means there is no need to search for the customer. That is the advantage of market basket analysis. The goods also, the retailer can place more number of goods. All the customers are purchasing particular item, means the retailer can place more number of goods in his particular supermarket, in his particular store. In his store he can place more number of items, goods. Okay, so that is the advantage of market basket analysis. I hope you understood.